I want to talk about this Dyson vacuum. It has been my favorite vacuum of all times. I do have a little handheld one that I love too. But with this Dyson, you can see it's actually pretty lightweight. It's super easy to use. In fact, like my kids who are only 10 use it themselves. So before I go ahead, I am going to show you, I have some, see all that white dirt underneath there? I'm going to show you how easily it picks it up. But before I do that, I want to show you a couple features. So it's really simple to clean. You literally just open it up, everything dumps out. So you can put it right over your trash can, and you don't have to worry about bags or dumping stuff. It's just pull and then push back down. Right here you'll see that there is, right there, you can see that there's like a little hole there for a plug. You can just plug it right in this way, and it's up against my wall downstairs in my my laundry room. So I have the charger just plugged up and held up against the wall, and all I do is just stick this in and it charges. Super easy. I can keep it charged the whole time. And then these are air filters here, and you can change those out. So after a couple months or when it starts to look dirty, you can change this out to have another air filter. I mean, super easy, easy to use, lightweight. Now, I'm gonna turn it on so it's gonna get loud for a second, but I'm gonna show you just how loud it gets and how picking up this mess back here. It is literally just a trigger right here. So I'm just gonna hold it. So it's not so loud that I can't talk over it. You can still hear me. It's not gonna wake up probably your kid if they're sleeping in this. But look at how powerful that is. Look at how it just picked up. All of that white stuff that was there is now gone in seconds, right? And super easy. I feel like my carpets get really clean. I feel like this is easy for my kiddos to learn how to do it. I can get, because it swivels so well here, I can get under just about anything, and I can get under pretty long. There's also different extensions and attachments that you can use. So often I have taken this off. I'm trying not to do it and hurt my ceiling here, but you can take off the different extensions. Of course, now that I'm showing you, I can't as easily, but these all pop off. There you go, I just did it. So when you take off the extension, now there's different pieces you can put on here, but you can also just use this. So it works really well. Again, I highly recommend you getting yourself this Dyson vacuum. You're not going to be disappointed.